बचपन में तो बड़े छोले भटूरे पहले होंगे, ऑल्सो बटर चिकन।
हाँ, अभी मैंने छोले भटूरे 3 दिन पहले खाए हैं, बट वी डिसाइडेड, मी एंड अनुष्का बोथ, दैट वी विल ईट इट, बट 2 घंटे बाद वी वेंट टू द जिम एंड वी स्मैश द जिम. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक अस्सी पी के बैठ जाना शाम तक, यू नो, आप हिल नहीं पा रहे हो.
क्रिकेट सबको पसंद है, पर क्रिकेट से ज़्यादा क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स पसंद है. और आज मैं मिलने वाली हूँ इंडिया के करंट फेवरेट क्रिकेट प्लेयर विराट कोहली से at his restaurant 18 Commune, which is launched at Aero City in New Delhi. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल मैच हो. This is going to be my biggest interview. Let's go. I have with me today for Sunday brunch with curly tails. It's Virat Kohli. Virat, congratulations. बहुत ही अच्छा restaurant बनाया है आपने.
Thank you.
There's a nice scoreboard here. So many nice things. Everybody knows about your passion for cricket, but ये passion कब शुरू हुआ about food?
I've grown up in Delhi, तो passion food का create हो ही जाता है unknowingly. As soon as you start going around with your friends and start hanging out, you see all these kinds of amazing dishes. And even I come from a proper Punjabi household, तो घर में भी इतने अच्छे खाने बनते थे, राजमा चावल, your chicken curries, your butter chicken, ये वो, मतलब पूरे टाइम चलता है. Only focus is food, कि खाना स्वाद होना चाहिए और अगली मील जो होगी उसमें क्या खाएंगे. तो मेरा पैशन वहीं से क्रिएट हुआ. उसके बाद इफ़ यू गो अराउंड इन द सिटी एज वेल, द स्ट्रीट फूड ऑफ दिल्ली आई थिंक इज़ अनमैच्ड. मतलब उसका कोई मुकाबला है ही नहीं. तो वो मैंने बहुत खाया व्हेन आई वाज यंगर. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ फूडी. और देन केम अबाउट दिस होल आइडिया एंड प्लान ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू बिजनेस. एंड आई थॉट कि where I am in my career, I think it's time for me to build something concrete and something long lasting and something I can be involved in. तो food was a no-brainer. मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है खाना खुद. And then as my food preferences changed over the years, I thought कि I want to be able to have a place where people can still come in and eat my kind of food. True. But also Delhi kind of food.
Right. पर आपने दिल्ली क्यों चुना? आप रहते मुंबई में हो, क्या आप अभी दिल्ली दा मुंडा हैं? Do you believe that you are the दिल्ली दा मुंडा?
नहीं, चुनने की बात नहीं है. I've grown up here, and people who I've known for a lot of years, they have been in the food business. So I've partnered with them. I did another restaurant with my brother and couple of more guys last year, which is running separately, but this is under 18. So आपको ये भी फिगर आउट करना पड़ता है कि द पीपल दैट यू आर वर्किंग विद, दे नो द बिजनेस इनसाइड आउट. तो दैट वाज मोर अ ट्रस्ट थिंग कि यहाँ पे आई हैड पीपल जिनको पता था, हु आर विलिंग टू डू इट एंड रेडी. So I could invest my time and my energy here कि चलो let's start from here. It's not like it's confined to here. Obviously I want to take it out everywhere. Right. And Mumbai is a wonderful city. It's a great city, and I think something like this would be very, very successful and very exciting there as well. So nothing is closed. I mean, this is just a beginning. Right. But start यहाँ से करना था because of the people that I have started to work with. I have known them for a long time, and वो एक factor होता है of trust and comfort to start with, and then you expand.
Right. In fact, menu में है Virat's favorite, and I think we are having some of your favorites. What is it exactly? And this doesn't look like a Punjabi food at all.
As you can see, there's a very fancy salad that I prefer having every now and then. But my favorite is the mushroom dumplings.
Yeah, let's have. Should we have?
Absolutely,
something?
Yes. I love these.
It looks really good. So
it's amazing. It's with truffle oil. So
okay.
If you like the taste of truffle,
okay. So आपने शेफ के साथ बैठकर डिसाइड किया है क्या मेन्यू में होगा and all? Did you do that?
Well, लोग मैंने एग्जैक्टली फ्लेवर्स उनको नहीं समझाए. आई टोल्ड देम लुक आई लव डिम्सम्स, आई एम वेजिटेरियन, लेट्स डू समथिंग एक्साइटिंग विद मशरूम एंड ब्रोकली एंड वाटर चेस्टनट. सो देयर आर अ कपल ऑफ वेराइटीज ऑफ दैट. देन आई वाज keen on having salads every now and then. So I thought ki because look, I can't come to a place and dictate something, you know. I can only say कि यार ये मेरी preference है. मेरे को डिम्सम अच्छे लगते हैं, मुझे salads अच्छे लगते हैं, मुझे you know I like gluten free healthy things. अब उसमें it's absolutely your freedom. आप कैसे उसको you know bring the flavors together and you innovate, you experiment, and उसमें उनको भी मज़ा आता है because they have an opportunity to make something wonderful that you will like and present to you. So I think it has to be a partnership where you can't literally say कि मुझे ये flavor चाहिए, ऐसा ही बनना चाहिए. You know, just say कि मुझे ये चाहिए. Now your skill comes into play, and I think it's done a wonderful job.
ये कैसा है ये अब मैं try कर बताती हूँ.
I'll have one as well. I love this.
That's a superfood salad, is it?
Yeah.
And is that also one of your favorites?
It is. I've turned vegetarian for almost 2 years now.
Wow.
Not completely vegan. 90% would be you know animal protein free and dairy free and everything. But उसमें I figured out यार I did a lot of reading and understanding of food and because I was a heavy meat eater. उसके बाद एकदम switch करना because of health reasons. I thought I have to be very sure of nutritional content of the food and value what I'm eating. So I figured out कि a superfood salad is probably the most balanced way to have a healthy and a light meal. At the same time, it gives you the right nutrition. You don't need to stack up, you know, loads of food. And hence, I told him I want a superfood salad, and I think he's prepared a wonderful one. You should try this as well.
ये सब तो ठीक है विराट, but tell me कितने साल हो गए आप पंजाबी हैं, दिल्ली के हैं, बचपन में तो बड़े छोले भटूरे पहले होंगे, also बटर चिकन मिस करते हैं, और कितने साल हो गए वो सब खाए?
साल तो देखो ये सब चीज़ें जो होती हैं आई थिंक इसको बहुत ज़्यादा एक ग्लोरीफाई किया जाता है. अभी मैंने छोले भटूरे 3 दिन पहले खाए हैं.
ओह अच्छा.
बट आफ्टर आई वुड से व्हाट 3-4 years.
ओके.
हाँ उसके बीच में मैंने नहीं खाए ऑनेस्टली.
ओह वाओ.
बट इस टाइम पे हमने सोचा कि अभी आई हैव टेकन अ ब्रेक, वी केम टू दिल्ली एंड आई थॉट यू नो व्हाट I really feel like having one, but we decided, me and Anushka both, that we will eat it. But 2 घंटे बाद we went to the gym and we smashed the gym. So it's not like पहले क्या होता था कि you eat और लस्सी पी के बैठ जाना शाम तक, you know, आप हिल नहीं पा रहे हो. I don't think that's healthy. So we said, okay, we feel like indulging. Let's have one. And after that, we'll make sure we work out twice as hard. So I think that has changed. It's not like I don't like to indulge in things that I like. Obviously एक वो you know you like to have those memories as well, you know, उसको revive करना, just to live those moments.
Guilty feel करते हो खाने के बाद या?
नहीं, not at all. क्योंकि पहले क्या था, I didn't have the will to work in the gym physically. अभी मुझे पता है कि if I eat something, I can go and you know burn it off immediately. By afternoon it's gone. So I don't feel the guilt because I know I can burn it off. पहले there was no concept of कि इसको बर्न भी करना होता है, you know, it was just incoming कुछ.
तो who's your favorite food partner? मतलब आपको कभी कोई binging जाना है, बस जो मर्जी आए खाओ, तो who's your favorite food partner?
I would say my father a lot of the times, but my brother.
Yeah.
My brother, I mean उसको बोलने की एक देर होती थी कि मेरे को ये खाना है, and you know he'll just turn the car and go there because he also wanted to.
Right.
So I think I'm indulged in most of these delicious dishes and foods growing up with my brother.
आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म भी पंजाबी है, स्मेल करते ही पुट ऑन करते हैं वेट.
बिल्कुल. मैं अभी चेंज हो गया, आई थिंक लास्ट 4-5 साल में चेंज हुआ है. बट उससे पहले तो आई मीन इवन इफ नाउ अगर मैं 2 महीने सिर्फ छोले भटूरे और ये सब खाऊं और I don't work out, you will see a completely different version of me. I mean, you would not believe that it's me. So I have to keep a check on it every single day, and I think it's a good thing.
Right.
I don't take that as a downfall. वो अच्छी चीज़ है कि मतलब you are challenged, you know that you can't afford to, and I think that keeps you in check.
Right. आपने बताया बचपन में आप बहुत ज़्यादा खाते थे और दिल्ली में रहते हो, पंजाबी घर से हो. कौन सी ऐसी फेवरेट डिश है माँ के हाथ का खाना जो आपको बहुत पसंद है, जो हर बार आप दिल्ली आते हैं ज़रूर खाते हैं?
राजमा चावल.
okay.
सोचने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है उसमें.
अच्छा.
इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ वही है अभी when I turned vegetarian I used to think यार you have so many options. इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती थी but every time you come back home you'd ask for a vegetarian dish. मैंने कहा हमें उसमें इतना मज़ा आता था so why not now, you know? But yeah, that is one dish that is constant for years.
मुंबई में?
मुंबई में हम लोग घर पे हमारा बहुत अच्छा कुक है.
अच्छा.
वो बहुत कमाल का खाना बनाता है and you know he's very sweet and he gives us dishes every now and then. वो नई चीज़ें you know he gives us and we really enjoy it.
Do you guys ever indulge in a cooking session? You and Anushka ever?
Well, नहीं ऐसा मतलब कुकिंग सेशन नहीं. लंदन वगैरह में हमने एक दो बार you know we've had just a fun time cooking just for ourselves and मुझे तो सिर्फ मतलब I have a understanding of taste and you know how well food can be cooked, but I don't know how to. But I think I can learn. But ऐसा hectic नहीं मतलब just for fun sake we've done it once or twice. But हमारे घर पे बॉम्बे में भी बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाने वाला है हमारा.
Right. You just mentioned छोले भटूरे. तो अगर आपका चीट डे हो अब जो था 3 दिन पहले कहाँ गए थे आप? Is there a favorite street food joint in Delhi that you have for छोले भटूरे?
नहीं हम गए नहीं, हमने घर पे मंगवाया था. हमारा प्लान था जाने का एंड वी थॉट कि रजौरी गार्डन में जाएंगे, एक जगह है. गगन टोल्ड मी अबाउट इट बट देन ग्रोइंग अप आई कुड गो बिकॉज कोई पहचानता नहीं था. बट देन आई सॉ जो दुकान है वहाँ पे उस पर आसपास आई सॉ लकीली आई सॉ द फोटोज ऑन गूगल एंड देन आई सॉ द स्ट्रीट एंड आई वाज लाइक अगर यहाँ पे पता चल गया कि हम आए हुए हैं तो छोले भटूरे तो भूल जाओ, घर भी नहीं आ पाएंगे वापस. सो देन आई आस्क्ड घर पे मैंने पूछा लोगों से तो दे सेड गुड़गांव में सेक्टर 15 में है सिविल लाइंस वाला. So that was on MG Road before and my bhabhi said it's shut. Right. So but I googled it and it said open. Okay. So my bhabhi called the guy and he said it's open in sector 15 now, MG Road पे बंद हो गया. So then we sent our driver to bring it home.
Oh, okay. All right. I believe ye food references have also come from the places you've traveled, right? So tell us more about it. Do you like traveling? What are your food stories coming in from travel?
Love traveling. Absolutely love traveling. On tour when we go for holidays as well, we both love traveling together. And even on tours when we go, you know, there's a sense of excitement when you're going to a certain place. वहाँ पे जाके you literally have only 2 things to do on tour, right? You play, you practice, and then there's so much idle time. So you go out and experience. I love going out by myself. Obviously, when Anushka is not on tour, you know, to just put on my music and just walk around. मैं कॉफ़ी शॉप में मेरे को जाना अच्छा लगता है. Just sitting by my because होता क्या है कि when on a constant basis you are meeting so many people, you know, your fans are coming to you, know, it gets hectic. You need to have time by yourself as well where you say कि यार ठीक है let me just connect with myself, just walk around, just go to a coffee shop. मेरे को कोई छोटी खाने की जगह दिखेगी, you know, I see a salad place or a super food, some kind of, you know, vegetarian, vegan written, मैं घुस जाता हूँ उसमें, you know, then I'll have those wraps and put in those ingredients. I really enjoy doing all that. But in general, all these things have been inspired by trying out many restaurants over the years because we used to have momos, you know, growing up. वो भी एक acquired taste है. It's like that is in your memory. But dim sums and all these things came about when we started traveling, and you know, we figured out कि यार ये भी अलग तरीके का एक
मोमो है.
International version of momos है. So that's where I started trying many things, and honestly, the first time I ever tried Japanese food was in 2012. उससे पहले मैंने Japanese food खाया ही नहीं था. And I had been traveling for 3-4 years before that, but I was so closed कि, you know, नहीं, taste buds. I never tried it. So we went out in a group and with all our teammates, and I tried it for the first time, you know, raw fish, but then I loved it. I loved it for so many years. I still love Japanese food.
Japanese is your favorite cuisine, right?
Yeah, we have amazing sushi rolls as well, vegetarians, which we really enjoy. But yeah, Japanese has been one of my favorites.
You were telling about how it's nice and liberating to explore places outside of India. तो ऐसी कोई favorite जगह है? I believe you also went to Finland for your honeymoon जहाँ कोई आपको पहचान नहीं रहा था. Any story from there or any favorite destination that you may have in your
नहीं पहचान नहीं रहा था, फिर एक आदमी पहचान गया और पहचानने वाले सरदार जी मिले हमें. और the most amazing thing was उनका लास्ट नेम भी कोहली था. And then I was sitting there, I was like यार what are the odds? फिनलैंड में एक हमें कोई अपने कंट्री से आदमी नहीं मिला, एक सरदार जी मिले उनका लास्ट नेम कोहली है. I was like और कॉफ़ी शॉप में we were standing in line and we were getting coffee and वो पीछे थे and I don't think he saw us. I saw him and then I didn't turn around, but then he saw me and then he's like मैं भी कोहली हाँ मैं भी. I was like यार पाजी प्लीज़ यहाँ पे छोड़ दो, फोटो वोटो मत मांगना. But yeah, that was a stunning place.
Yeah. Do you ever miss India when you are traveling abroad or any like do you look for Indian food when you're traveling abroad? Ever?
Yeah, every now and then we do indulge. Yes. I mean, I wouldn't say that जब बाहर जाते हैं तो Indian food खाते ही नहीं है. You try everything, but then हफ्ते में एक बार you come back to दाल चावल तो चाहिए. You have to get that food in your system because look, there's something about native food. There's something about the food that you've eaten growing up. I would say home cooked food. I wouldn't say street food as such regularly, but home cooked food की एक अलग जो आपका system है, it responds differently to home cooked food. And I would say vegetarian home cooked food because घर में भी you won't see in every household non-veg being served or in every dish or in every meal. Mostly predominantly it's been vegetarian. दाल चावल खाते थे हम, राजमा चावल, छोले चावल, लोबिया चावल, all these bhindi, roti, all these things mostly used to be veg. Yeah. So we do crave that and we do make sure that every week or 10 days we are getting that food.
Firstly, yeah, I want to know your favorite travel destination. अगर आप एक कोई country का नाम बताएं जो आपको बहुत पसंद है या कोई भी जगह, it could be a small town or anything.
हम लोग recently न्यूजीलैंड गए थे और वहाँ पे we went to Queenstown. और उससे ज़्यादा सुंदर जगह हमने अभी तक नहीं देखी है. तो वी बोथ लव न्यूजीलैंड.
Also the adventure capital. आपने स्काई डाइविंग ट्राई किया?
नहीं, हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में we are not allowed to do any adventure sports.
But do you crave for it? Do you like adventure?
नहीं यार, I'm not fond of heights. I'm very scared of heights. So I've done rafting when I was a kid, नैनीताल में. So that was an amazing experience. I would love to do that again sometime, but maybe after I'm done playing because the contract doesn't allow you to do these things.
Right. And what kind of a traveler are you? Sightseeing पसंद है, adventure पसंद है, and are you and Anushka travel compatible? क्या आप दोनों को same चीजें करना पसंद है?
That is the best thing. We love doing the same things.
Amazing.
And we enjoy the things that we do together so much that it's never I want to do this or I want to do that. It's like we both like spontaneously मुंह से भी एक ही चीज़ निकलती है कि ये करना है क्या, and it's like चलो let's pack and leave, So yeah, that's the most wonderful thing, and we like to explore. We like to go around and see कि क्या है, what the place is like. But you have to make sure that you go to a place where people don't recognize you, because if you are wanting to explore things and people are coming left, right, center, then वो एक peace of mind नहीं रहता, you can't focus on what you really want to do. But yeah, we love exploring places.
Yeah, lovely talking to you, Virat.
Thank you
very much for calling me over for a Sunday brunch. I'm
Pleasure.
really enjoying myself.
Pleasure.
Let's finish this meal.
Sure.
Yeah.
Dim sum.
Yeah. One more for you.
Sure. You must try this sauce. It's really nice.
It's very big. The minute I put it in my mouth, I don't know when I...
बहुत बड़ा dim sum. दिल्ली में है ना?
That was not only one of the biggest interviews, but also the best interview ever. मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मैं दिल्ली के पंजाबी मुंडे से बात कर रही हूँ जो आज भी बटर चिकन और छोले भटूरे बहुत मिस करता है. But that's Virat Kohli for you. Well, because of his work, he has to be very, very health conscious and diet conscious. But kahin na kahin, he is still a foodie. This is 18 Commune at Aerocity in New Delhi, which is also called Virat's favorite menu, which has got some super food, dim sums. ये दोनों डिशेस मैंने ट्राई की जो बहुत ही अच्छी. Well, so that was Virat Kohli on a Sunday brunch with Curly Tails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tails. Until then, it's me, Kamiya Jani, signing off. all the time for our food videos.